Value is the degree of lightness or darkness of color, which can be achieved through the variation of color tones. Value differentiates one form from another while using dark, middle, and light tone in an artwork. It is the light variation in visual art, which can be achieved through the treatment of light, shade, and shadow in our drawing and painting. Value can be seen as different shades and tints of one color. Value can create the illusion of mass, depth, and volume. It can as well be used to create emphasis or emphasize certain parts in an artwork. Value can be used to express our feelings on a flat surface. It can be used to create variation in color. Tone of light and shade, that is value, make objects look real. Note that the value of color can be increased by adding white, whereas the value can be decreased by adding black to the color. Another name for value is tone.